Hi, Dad. Here we are at Cain's Ballroom. No, we're doing a little journal for Zach. Wave hi to Dad. Oh, have Bridget do that. I'm going to take some more video. Woo. Sound check. I made myself a hat today. We'll send more later.